Alright, y'all, so check this out. I'll be changing the seals on the pop-out windows, just the two back ones. The ones on the side doors, I want to get the chrome trim on the windows. I gotta find them. Yeah, I'll be changing these out. They're pretty wore out. These things don't really latch. Every time you shut the door, they rattle. So yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up and get to it. Just add a little bit, just in case this is short. Good right there. I like that. Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna have to go around and hit up the mallet again, but other than that, that's pretty good on there. And you get a little kink there, kink there. Yeah, maybe I think it would have been better if I would have took off the window and putting it on there. I probably wouldn't have gotten the little kinks in the corners. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's done. On to the next thing. Today I'm be putting on a chin spoiler. See what that looks like. I have one here. This one came on my orange van when I first bought it. It was white, then it was black, then it was, I think, red with some kind of pattern I had put on there, some lace pattern on there. And yeah, I painted it blue when I painted the other sun visor. So it's a little lighter than the blue the van has. Hit it with a little light coat of this one, and hopefully it doesn't come out too dark and it fits just right with that blue like that one did. So I'm gonna set y'all up and give it a little paint job. I don't know, that might be a little dark, but we'll see. I'm gonna let it dry for about 20 minutes or so. I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so it looks like it's a little bit darker. What? What do you think? I think it'll look pretty good on there. I don't think you would really be able to tell from a distance. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, we won't be able to see them control arms no more, so set y'all up and put this bad boy on there. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, it ain't that bad. Let me move it away from all the little workshop I have, and I'll show y'all then. There we go. So that's what it looks like now. There's a gap right there. I think it's there because this was on the 90s and a 92, and that bumper is way bigger and it sits lower, so it was covering this up, and I think that gap up too. It was covering that up, so I think that's why you can see that. You can see it on the ends right there, the little gap there. I mean, it don't look too bad on there. More buggy to the van. The blue matches better than what it was, I think. I'll probably do the interior, the dash and the doghouse this color also, because I painted the doghouse just to see what it would look like, and I don't know, I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. So I might do that blue I did on the little chin spoiler. Still gotta put them zoom pipe together. But yeah, this van is getting there. It's gonna be on the road every day soon. You can see that little thing on there. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see y'all on the next one. Alright, y'all, so check this out. We're about to go on a little road trip to Wilson, North Carolina for a little van gathering going on for Valentine's Day. So cleaned out this van some and better hit the road to get over there. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're about 2 minutes away now. We're in town. At the red light. Right on.
Jerry, show your friends, take a picture, show them. So lovely.
Everything either came out of a junkyard on this thing, or
I keep thinking that's my next purchase. The go-kart. The other truck.
Yeah.
They had the real wide tires on it. His other Chevrolet or pickup truck that he had.
planning on the day with the day.